How to register for NHS UK. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can register for NHS UK. So let's get started. First of all, head over to any of the search engine and type in register NHS. And this is the website, that is www.nhs.uk. Click on register with the GP surgery and then you'll be redirected to the interface. So you're going to simply tell them whether you wish to use the cookie or not and then scroll down where you'll be able to see the option of login or open NHS app, or if you don't have the application or if you don't have an account already, you can click on create an account in order to register. Simply click on create an account and then you'll be redirected to the NHS app login. So you're going to scroll down and these are a few criteria that you're going to meet. First is registered with the GP surgery in England, and you're going to be age 13 or over. So if you meet these criteria, you're going to simply hit over, click on continue, and then you're going to simply type down your email with which you wish to register. So you're going to scroll down, type in your email over here, and then click on continue. You'll be redirected to another interface where you need to verify your account. First of all, you get to provide human verification. So let's confirm you are human, click on begin, and then here we get to choose buckets. So let's choose all of the buckets over here. And once done, you can simply head over, oops, this is not a bucket. Okay, click on confirm, and then simply head over, and then you'll be redirected to another interface. So they're going to use the email that you provided to set up your NHS login and register with your NHS account. So you will need a phone that we can send a security code to. Click on continue, and then you're going to simply type in your password. Make sure the password meets these criteria. So it should have 8 characters or more, have one uppercase letter, not start or end with a blank space, and then click on continue and simply type down that code and you're good to go. That is how you can register on NHS UK. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.